Cold hardy citrus. Does it exist? That is what I'm going to try and figure out this year. Last year, I experimented with a cold hardy avocado tree. I'm in zone 8A in Charlotte, North Carolina, and that was a fail. I did plant it in the ground, and that was the experiment. I know I could have put it in a pot and rolled it in and out of the garage, but I wanted to see if I can grow something in the ground. I have tried Meyer lemons, also a fail. This year, I am attempting to grow a Satsuma. This is specifically an Owari Mandarin Orange Satsuma. I purchased this with my own money from McKenzie Farms located in South Carolina, and today we're going to plant it where the avocado tree used to be. The Satsuma tree came with a lot of great information for planting. It gives you a couple options. So if you can't plant it in the ground, it talks about how to plant it in a container and the ideal container, talks about when to fertilize, and then it talks about possibly growing it in the ground and how to protect it in the winter, which I'm absolutely going to be doing. I'm going to be using what they recommend with Christmas lights and frost bags. I'm going to put some of this Kickass Frass plant food in the planting hole with the tree.